Sony's been sued $3.5 million by the Australian court because, well, they lied about how their refund policy works. If you want to hear more stories like this fast, make sure to subscribe to the channel and you'll see them sooner. So let's get into it. The Australian court fined 3.5 million Australian dollars to Sony Europe, who also controlled their Australian branch and the European branch. This was for misleading Australian consumers over its refund policy, or making false and misleading representations regarding Australian consumer law rights. So some consumers contacted Sony over a game that they deemed faulty. And here's basically what happened. Hey, can I get a refund? I deemed this game faulty. Nope. But why though? Well, you purchased the game digitally and it's been 14 days since you purchased it. But you don't even have a watch. That's not fair. Yes, it is. No, it's not. To another consumer, they said that they could not provide a refund unless the game developer authorized it. And they told another consumer that they could only provide a refund in the form of PlayStation Store credit, which means they can only use their refund to buy more stuff from PlayStation. Consumer guarantees do not expire after a digital product has been downloaded, and certainly do not disappear after 14 days or any other arbitrary date claimed by a game store or developer, said Rod Sims, chair of the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission, or ACCC. What Sony told these consumers was false and does not reflect the consumer guarantee rights afforded to Australian consumers. The ACC also said that Sony Europe's terms of services suggested that users did not have consumer guarantee rights regarding the quality, functionality, completeness, accuracy, or performance of their purchased digital games between October 2017 and March 2019. Now, of course, stuff like this has happened before, and stuff like this has happened before in Australia as well. I mean, back in like 2014, Valve had some issues because of this exact reason over their refund policies. But of course it did not work because it was against the law. Different laws in different countries, and in some cases even just different states, can be so varied and so different. The wording of the law is obviously very important, and in this case it was just not in their favor, and they didn't have a plan or backup for that, and they just have to kind of accept it because they're probably not going to get out of it considering the previous circumstances of this happening, especially happening in Australia. So thank you very much for listening. I've been Gary Clark, and this has been whatever this is. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll read it. Or in the description, you can find links to my socials. And of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you will get this news as fast as possible that I can do it. Thank you very much for listening. Stay safe and stay aware. Goodbye.